that you go bow for the result, though. Nothing to discuss, cause
what's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and if you're not new, welcome to my channel. Say hey, Lincoln. Say hi. See, you don't even be wanting nothing. You just be wanting to be busy. Mwah. Say hi, Lincoln. On that note, we'll be right back. Okay, so let's go. Let's get it. Let's go. Hey, oh, I need to pull this up some though. All right, y'all. So welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Oh, yes, I am. As you can see today, I am going to be doing a quick weave in my hair because, yeah, like, it's been a little rough couple of days. And your girl need her hair done, okay? Your girl need her hair done. I already washed it. My ends look horrible. I know. I really just need to go to the salon or something because this is just ridiculous. But I'm going to be, I think I want to do a side part today. Anyways, let's get into it.
Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit. You weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't.
Alright, so now I'm just going to plait this part down so it will stay like this, basically. I really hope that's straight back there. I can't tell. I'm not the best at doing this when it's like doing my own hair, but I guarantee you it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good, that's for sure. Look at these braids, child. The braids is not breaking like they supposed to, but it's okay because we're gonna work it out. All right, and then I am going to leave out, you know, I'm just gonna leave out a little bit because I really don't want to leave out a whole lot because sometimes it just be a hassle. Like, whoa, it really do be a hassle sometimes. So we're just gonna leave out a little bit of here. Child, what is going on right here? I really need to get my hair treated. That's what I really need to do. Okay. I guess I'll take that part out too. All right, I need a rubber band. I have like literally think I caught Lincoln and Mackenzie's cold because I just did, like, I feel fine, but I don't feel fine. Does that make sense? Like, I just want to like lay around and stuff. Literally. Okay, I really did not mean to turn my camera off right then. But I was really trying to take a little still picture, but I forgot. I gotta click the other button. I accidentally clicked the recording button. All right, so these are like my little leave out part. So now I really feel like I just need to, I don't know where my brush is. Like, I do not know. I'm gonna do the ponytail method for this quick weave because your girl don't know how to braid. Your girl do not know how to braid. Somebody need to teach me how to braid because, yeah, the struggle be real. It really do be real. So, yeah, let me go get my little stuff. All right, so I'm back. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Eco Gel. Matter of fact, I got another one because it's not gonna be enough. And I'm gonna use the Eco Gel to help mold my hair down. And this base is basically gonna keep my hair flat, is what it's gonna do. So I'm gonna do that all around my hair. I need to not get this part wet. Let's see. I'm just gonna do that all around my hair, basically. Sometimes I put edge control on this part too, or sometimes I put like some got to be spray on this part just to help it stay down. I mean, if some get on this, then I'm gonna just have to blow dry it out or try and clean it out or something, cause yeah. So yeah, that's what you do basically. You just put this all over your head to help it stay down. It does require a lot of gel. So I'm gonna put some gel all up in the back of my head right there. So it can lay down real flat. I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see. And this is what it look like. Hopefully it don't look crazy, because I am doing this myself. But there are a lot of people who do this themselves and it do look a lot neater. But nobody is gonna see the bottom of the cap. So we don't care what the bottom of the cap looks like. Period. Like, we don't care. We don't care. We don't care. We don't care. So then what you're gonna do, you're gonna take a rubber band. Normally I take 2 rubber bands and I double them up. And you don't want to put it all the way at the bottom of your hair. You kind of want to take the hair up a little bit. And you don't want to put the rubber band too tight. So I'm gonna put my rubber band on. Like that, like so. I got me a little ponytail in the back. And then what I'm gonna do is need to go under somewhere. So that's what I might do. I'm gonna take some more gel and I'm gonna put it on that part of my hair. See, look at this. It didn't even hold. I'm gonna have to pat it down or something. Okay, where's my towel? Okay, I got my towel, but y'all, it keep coming down. Like, maybe I just need to push it off to the side or something. I'm gonna have to go in with the other gel, cause this one ain't. Doing like it's supposed to do. All right. Oh my God, this really not. I can't believe this is not doing. Oh my gosh, like this really not. Okay, let me take some more of this hair and put it on the other side. How about that? Yeah. Because this is apparently, you know what, this is what I'm about to do. I'm going to just take the damn ponytail all to this side of the head because it's further away. All right, there we go. I finally got that done. And so now, what I'm going to do is, I got my other got to be spray in the car. I'm gonna cover my hair up because I don't want the goddamn spray to get on this. And I'm gonna spray this around my hair. And this is just kind of like an extra protectant to like for the glue to not get on my head, basically. Baby, I'm gonna spray the fuck out my head, okay? All right. I found me a black stocking cap, so let me go ahead and put that on. I'll be back. Okay, I got my stocking cap on, but now I need to go get my shears because, yeah, I can't see. So I'll be right back. I can see now. Hold on. I'm going to put that up a little bit. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm ready to go in with my Roberts Diamond Bond Protective Shield. And put this on my hair. I'm going to put it like all around this and that way, basically, is what I'm going to do. So I'll be back. All right, so I had to cut my ears out because, yeah, I can't really, that was not comfortable. So I'm just putting on this Diamond Bond, this bonding glue, all over my my wig cap, because that's what's gonna help protect and mold this cap down so it doesn't move, and it's gonna help serve as a barrier as well from your hair and the glue, because you don't want that stuff all up in your head, child. Try and get as close to this little part as I can. I'm gonna just pull that on out. Some people outline this, like their edge part or whatever out, but I don't really outlining it. I'm just gonna put my hand over the part of my hair so I don't get this bonding stuff like on that part, because that's gonna be my leave out, and I really don't need that on there. So I'm just still gonna go in. So yeah, it's a process.
Sexy for that cap, too sexy for that jack. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's fine. Okay, I'm feeling too sexy to accept requests, and I'm way too sexy to.
All right, so I have put on, I think, all of what I'm going to put on. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit more other bonding gel. Oh shoot, I hope I didn't get on my hair. And I'm gonna just go back and hit a couple of more areas real quick. And then I'm gonna spray, no, actually I'm going to blow dry it after that. And then I am going to start putting the tracks down.
And nobody got a clue. And the coupe pulling up, but the private they keep up on it too. I really like it, I won't stay excited, don't wanna get tired of you.
Okay, so this is the hair that I'm going to be using tonight. This is the Bobbi Boss Kinky Perm number 1, and it is an 18 inch. So this is the hair I'm going to be using today. I've never used this hair before, so it says that their safe styling is up to 380 degrees, so you can flat iron this hair, you can put heat on this hair. You just have to use it at a certain temperature. It does actually feel pretty soft too. Like it feels pretty soft. I'm just running my fingers through it. So yeah, let's go ahead and start putting this bad boy in. Yeah, okay, let me go. Oh shoot, I almost forgot I was recording. So y'all, I done went ahead and put the first track on to my hair in the back. That's what it looked like. And then I'm just blow drying it to go ahead and like help the glue like stay on the wig cap basically. I don't know why I had to keep pulling this thing up. So now I'm gonna go and grab the hair again, and I need the other end though. My kid is in there like really wilding out right now. And I'm going to measure this. I don't have a lot of hair, so I'm trying to like make sure I don't use too much basically. I think I'm gonna go like this. I feel like I'm up a little bit too high though. Let me see, where's the track at? It's right there, so I'm gonna put it right here and right there. Ugh, it's so sticky. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. And I am going to cut it like that. And yeah, that's all you do really. And sometimes it cuts the hair off when you cut the piece that when you measuring and you're trying to cut the piece off, it like cuts a little bit of the other hair off, like some of the hair off, but that's fine. Like, that's no biggie. I'm just trying to get it back in here. So yeah, let me go ahead and get some of these on my hair, and I'll be back with you guys when I get like halfway basically. Okay, bye. Alright guys, so I am done. I was supposed to show you guys when I was about halfway through, but I was having some technical difficulties and I was in a panic and I was like, oh my god, something is not going right. Something's not going right, but I managed to get this together. I'm gonna put some mousse on my hair to kind of like make it lay down some. And that's it. Like, I'm not gonna curl this or anything like this. Hopefully this will last me for at least this week. I don't know about next week, but I just need to get through this week right now. But check me out, check me out. I think it looks good. Stiff wear, stiff wear, stiff wear. I don't know why this shirt keeps going down like that. But I just did like a slight side part type of thing. I didn't really do like a crazy side part. I could put another track up in here possibly to kind of blend it in, but I don't know, I think I like it like this. So yeah, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, give me a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.
You looking like you like what you see. Won't you come over and check up on it?